So welcome back to the channel. On today's video we have, I guess you could call this an unboxing, and we have a new Swiss Tech felling axe. I had no idea what this is called. So this is a Swiss Tech product. We picked this up at Walmart. I think the price on this is running around $49, I think. Okay, you can come in, we'll show it. So it's the Swiss Tech, what is this word? Gwalt. I guess it's Gwalt. I don't know. So it's forged and heat treated with 1055 carbon steel. And I'm going to show you guys the specs because I have no idea what we're looking at. So these are what's included. You have the Gwalt. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. We're going to call it the Gwalt light felling axe. And it's 28 inches in length with the handle. It's 2.25 pounds with a Dayton head pattern. It's drop forged high carbon 1055 steel, 28 inched in curved American hickory handle, and it is treated in boiled linseed oil. Okay, so you can go ahead and show an overview of that. So here's an overview of this. We're going to cut it out here in a moment. So here's the beautiful American hickory handle. And I'm pretty sure my husband's going to do some craftsman stuff with it. So it also comes with a waxed canvas sheath. It's durable, water resistant, waxed canvas. It has a reinforced binding and inner structure, which we're going to take a look at. It has a leather strap here and a brass button closure with brass rivets. So as you see, these are your rivets. So it also has a leather overstrap collar. And if you guys watched our previous video, my husband actually made us one of these out of paracord. He also made this. So I will leave a little card for this video. You guys can check that out. So I'll leave a card somewhere or at the end of this video for this video for you guys to go watch that if you want to see it. This is just an axe for the people who are new to the channel who haven't seen it. This is just a Harbor Freight axe that we have been modifying and making our own out of it. This is the leather overstrap collar, and it's just basically a protective collar made out of leather. It has the Swiss Tech logo, as you guys can see, the little tree there. I'm assuming that's what that is. It's got the little Swiss Tech logo there. You can spin it around and show it. I did carry this out of Walmart the other day, and it does have a really nice feel to it for me. I am a woman of 5'4". So as you can see, for comparison to my size, yet I am 5'4". So this is just a little bit of a comparison. It is pretty decent. It's not very heavy, but it's good. Gransfors Bruk axe, that's what this is. And this thing is a lot more pricier than this one. So price point, you know, if you're looking for something a little fancy but also in the budget, this is, I believe, $49 at Walmart plus tax. So yeah. So let's get my camera lady to come in here, and we're going to cut this open, and we're going to oh Lord, why did they do that? I'm going to be very careful, and I'm going to cut this free. And oh my gosh, they even put a little right here too, like triple handling. Okay, so we're going to cut this bad boy free, and we're going to take, oh, I cut the sheath. Don't tell Derek. He'll probably be the one editing. So as I was saying, here's a little bit of the stats if you guys want to pause it and read that. That knife's a little trooper. Look, I don't know about today, but it's just been one of those days, so. So I'm gonna technical difficulty this. Take a look at this sheath. Oh, okay. So this is what the axe this is what the axe head looks like. It has an incredible sharp edge on it. So, and look, it does have imperfections. I don't remember what that's called. It said it a while ago. It's a Dayton head pattern. Oh yeah, I see it now. See? Wait, no. I'm sorry. Right here, 2.25 pound Dayton head pattern. Here is the sheath, and as you can see, they have reinforced it here with some, what was this stuff in here? I don't know.
Wax canvas.
That's the outside. So the outside is wax canvas.
Leather overstrap collar.
No, that's this. We're gonna just leave all this in here. They've reinforced it with like a type of Kydex plastic in here. And this is the, I'm sweating so bad. This is the oiled canvas. Is it oiled canvas? Waxed canvas. So basically, essentially, they rubbed this on it. Is basically they've rubbed a type of that on it to waterproof it a little bit. So this is what it looks like. Look, this ain't my kind of tea. So that's hard to get on. Okay, you can back up. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this, because this is, like I said, the first time I have ever done an unboxing for something like this. Normally it's like anime figures or other products, not
Or personal pistol you like.
Yeah, like pistols or rifles. I did a unboxing of the Winchester Wildcat and then took it to the range. I will try to put that at the end of this video if you guys want to watch that. It was a really cool one. I love that rifle. It was so cool. I feel like I'm just rambling at this point. Also, I do want to say we have a pretty cool sponsored video coming up. Hand me that little tag there from that company. Yeah. So we have a pretty cool sponsored video coming up. And it's taking some time because I'm actually taking time to actually try the product out. I don't want to just and then be like, oh, this is great, buy it. So we were sponsored by Waterfly. If you guys don't know what Waterfly is, they specialize in, come in closer. They specialize in bags for EDC. I'm going to say EDC because that's what I'm using it for. EDC, hiking, you name it. These guys are great. They sent us one of their bags to try, and I'm in love with it. So that video is currently in the works, and I'm trying to think if there's any more updates I want to include in this. I've already mentioned the product. I think that's pretty well it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We are going to be doing some things to this axe that's really cool for the channel. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that and watch it, because this thing is going to be pretty cool. Pretty cool. Just like this one, except cooler. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, we'll see you guys in the next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our other content. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.